Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to make this very beautiful, very amazing quilling dreamcatcher. Here is the list of material you will need to make it. So first we will take the aluminum ring and a colored thread. We will make a knot anywhere in the ring and start revolving the thread as shown. Complete the whole ring similarly. Now make a knot to secure the thread. Add little bit glue at the end. Now I have marked some points with white pencil, and now we'll take another thread and make a knot at any point. So now follow the steps for making the dreamcatcher as shown. So for the first layer, you have to make sure that you make the knots on the point you have made using pencil, like I have done. Did the first layer similarly except the last point. So for the last point you just have to make a knot like this. So now we'll start with the second layer. For the second layer you have to make a knot in the center like this. Continue the same process to complete the dreamcatcher. Now I will show you how to complete the last part of the dreamcatcher. You can add some beads like this and make knots one by one. Make a final note to complete it. I have already made a small one like this. So now we'll start with the quilling part. For this one, I have only used one strip of paper to make a simple coil. Secure the end. So here I am using total 3 colors, green, red and yellow. You can use accordingly. Stick it similarly. Complete the whole ring similarly. So now we will start with the another layer. We will take one single strip of black pepper and we will make a loose coil. Make it like this to make a leaf shape. Stick the second layer similarly. So now we will start with the final layer. Here also we are making a loose coil using one strip of paper. Secure the shape and make a teardrop shape like this. For the third layer also I am using 3 colors, green, red and yellow. We will stick it like this only, green, red and yellow. You can stick accordingly. Stick the third layer similarly. So now I have joined total 15 strips of paper to make the final layer like this to secure the shape of the dream catcher. Stick it one by one to make it a perfect shape. Complete it similarly. So now we will add a layer of glue for the black strip so it can maintain the shape. I have also added some teardrop shape to small ring. So for more stability, I am using a transparent or a OHP sheet, and I have already marked the circles over here. So you can cut it down and stick it with glue. Like it will look like this after cutting. You can stick it with glue. So I am using total 3 color feathers like this. We will make a group and we will make a knot over here like this to make a bunch, and we will total need 7 bunch of feathers like this. I have already added a bunch of feathers to the small ring like this. You have to leave little bit space over here for attaching the feathers. So I have made a small loop like this from the thread for the hanging. So now you can attach it like this and feather in a decreasing order like this. So it will look like this after completing. So guys, here is the end of our video. If you like my ideas, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share my videos. Thank you for watching.